stop.
Couple tomatoes. Couple pickles. And some mayonnaise and salt.
Mayonnaise and salt? Salt?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
Yes, Thomas.
Hey, lettuce.
Yes.
Red onion. Banana pepper. Jalapeno.
Email.
Yeah. And chipotle sauce.
How have you been?
Good.
Awesome.
How do you like your new setup?
How do you like the new setup?
Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I wish you would see that. Oh, it's nice.
You get many people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same. Anything else?
Not just chipotle, that was it.
Yep.
Mayo?
And the cookie and the
No,
chili.
just, yeah.
Alrighty.
You do 20% off on the sandwich. Right? And $14.80, please. Okay, take your puff and white chip macadamia.
Yes, please.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice seeing
See
you.
you.
Have a great
Thank you.
weekend.
You too.
Okay.
Hi, how are you? Do you have bologna?
Actually, we don't know which one is going to be separate or like turkey paste, salami, bologna, and ham.
You want to do bologna?
But looks like, in a arranged way, like for as long as it comes like a dish, you want only bologna.
She wants bologna, what, American cheese? Bologna,
Okay.
American cheese. Do you have a wrap, like a regular wrap? And mayo.
So you got what I'm saying? I don't know which one is bologna.
Oh, yeah, you could just,
So the one in the spot is bologna?
Alright. Not too busy in there.
No, go over behind.
There was or there was not.
We'll sit down. Yeah, there's a new lady making sandwiches.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she wasn't Hispanic or anything.
Huh. Man, oh man, what a day. I'm loving this weather, man. So, you think we should walk up there or drive up there when we go up there to blow? Ouch. Okay, that's right.
You got it. Further up. There you go. Keep going. You go.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can do those sandwiches.
Hold on. Let me just.
Yep.
Okay. All right. How's your mom doing?
No, she had a Friday, she had a bad day.
What
Not a
happened?
bad day, it's a tough day. She had a small heart condition called AFib.
Oh, okay.
It has to do with the rhythm
Uh-huh.
of your heart pumps.
Right.
And you can't operate.
Because she's too old?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, exactly.
so how did she have a bad day?
I guess the AFib was acting up more.
Oh,
It just exhausts her.
gotcha.
It's kind of like, imagine like running all day.
Oh,
I mean, something like that.
oh. Gotcha.
Or it's like a switch that doesn't turn off.
Right. So AFib does what again?
It affects the rhythm of your heart,
Okay.
like how fast your heart beats.
So her
maybe.
her heart was what, racing?
I don't know. I don't know about it. She might have been. She might have just had a condition that we didn't know. Her dad had. My grandfather had water around
In his heart?
around
Or
his
around
heart.
it? Ooh.
Yeah, they kept bringing him to the hospital, and they had to drain off the water. But after a while, there was nothing I could do.
She's 94, right?
My mom is 95.
Wow.
No,
How old?
Sorry, she's 96.
How old was she when she had you and your brothers and sisters?
Easy for me to remember. She was 27.
When she had you?
Yeah,
Okay. And how old was your father?
same age.
Oh, okay.
They're
And-
months
and-
apart.
And remind me, how did they meet again?
My dad knew her father,
Oh,
and they both lived like 2 blocks from each other
okay.
in Brooklyn.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Do you know how old were when they met, or how old they were when they met?
Maybe 17, 18.
Wow. Did they have a good marriage?
Yeah, they did. They had to raise 10 kids, basically.
They what?
They had to raise 10 kids,
Hmm.
so they had to kind of sacrifice a lot.
You were?
No, I'm saying they had to sacrifice,
Hmm. Is anyone else in your family on medications for what you're on medications for, or you're the only one?
As far as I know, I'm the only one. My brother Kentucky, I think he might have been doing stuff.
For what?
I don't know for sure. We were out to dinner. The whole family went out to dinner one night. My brother got to go to the bathroom and he fell.
Ooh.
Yeah. And they called an ambulance. And when the ambulance came, they said, "Do you have any medication?"
Yep.
And he pulled out like 5 bottles.
Wow.
Yeah. And I had no idea. He was.
Oh yeah, I remember this story.
Yeah.
That's crazy though.
Yeah. He never really talked about it, so I don't know what he was taking.
Okay. Well, if the blower's low, I'm just gonna let it run out while we're eating lunch. Like if it's pretty low, like if it's almost empty. This way I can fill it up and then use the other one.
You got a full gas tank?
Huh? No, not a full gas can, but it's not empty yet.
Okay.
It's getting there. It's almost empty, but it's not. It's not empty yet.
Record video. Record video.
The Echo was running too rich, and the steel, the idle lowered itself. So for some reason, my two blowers do not like ethanol-free fuel. I don't know why.
Record.
Okay. So I'll carry this, and we gotta drive up there. That's right.
Yeah.
This definitely feels like May, not April.
They say April showers, but
Bring May flowers.
I'm not getting a lot of showers.
That's fine. Hey,
Yeah.
that's fine with me.
Boring you?
No, I'm just a little tired. Hopefully this will fit. Hopefully my coffee will fix that problem. Goodbye, yellow brick road. That's a great song.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yep. Should we drive up here? It'd be a lot nicer. I'd like to drive.
Much different than a lot of these.
But we can still blow in this area.
Yeah, actually, this section's pretty good.
One.
Oh, I know you.
you want me to just here?
You have my website.
Oh, sorry. Here's yours. I'll just carry mine like this.
Yeah, you gotta carry both. I got two.
Oh, yeah.
I got two carry.
Here you go. Just put it back in there. There we go.
Just don't tip it over.
Yep. All right, my friend.
Record video.
I'm just gonna start this and let it run out. I'll be right up. All right.
Stop.
What?